Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall Online, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com. You can find the link for that below this video. Now, today I'm going to be reviewing a product called Maeve, and Maeve is launching on July 27th at 9 AM US Eastern Standard Time. Now, this product is from the desks of John Armstrong and Digital Dames. Now, Digital Dames is three female entrepreneurs who are Paula Marie, Nanda and Cafe Art. And they've already launched a couple of products in the digital space. So today what I'm going to show you is the sales page for Digital Dames. And then we're going to have a look at my bonus page and the bonuses I have available through my mentor, John Armstrong, who is also launching this product with the Digital Dames, and the members area, the dashboard of Maeve. So if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll get to see what the inside of Maeve is, their dashboard. So first of all, we'll go over to the sales page. Okay, so here we are inside of the sales page of Maeve. And we have John Armstrong, who is launching this with the Digital Dames. And he will just talk you through the concept of the product in this video. You can take a look at that later when you click through my bonus page for the link. The bonus page will be in the link in the description below this video. So basically, Maeve is it's a traffic product, but it's also creating bonus pages and your landing pages with your affiliate link already in there. All you need to do is follow the training in the dashboard, which shows you exactly what to do to get your affiliate links from Warrior Plus and integrate those with the landing pages and how to deliver your bonus pages. And then they will go through how you use Google to get your traffic. So basically it's the fight between Google and Facebook and Amazon, because Google is now basically competing with those to take some of the market. And so Digital Dames have actually found a hack, and this is what is going to be revealed in Maeve. So you can actually make commissions from Warrior Plus through affiliate links without having an email address, email list, and without making videos or without writing content, because inside of Maeve it's already done for you. The product is going live, like I said, tomorrow, and these are some of the results that people have been having using this traffic source and solution. As you can see, people are making commissions. So basically it's very simple. You follow the instructions, use a keyword, set up in 10 to 30 minutes, watch as leads and results start flooding in. And these are the three female digital entrepreneurs: Paula Marie, Cafe Art and Nanda. No website, no building lists, no stocking on inventory, no dropshipping, no autoresponders, no SEO, no social media management, and nothing that requires loads of work. So these are the claims that are being made on the sales page of Maeve. So you can peruse this sales page at your leisure when you click through my bonus page, which you'll find in the description below this video. So let's go and take a look at the bonuses I have for Maeve. Let's see. First bonus I have is access to the ClickBank Mastery course. The second bonus is 2 high-quality traffic sources that you can use. The third bonus is accelerate your Instagram traffic. And the fourth bonus is access to Jono's YouTube ads course. Of course, you still receive all of the vendor bonuses that is explained on their sales page and within their demonstration video. So if you purchase the product, you would get a receipt like this from Warrior Plus, and this little blue button is where you would click in order to access all of the bonuses I've just described to you. Now, if we go back to the top of the page, of the bonus page here, I will take you through the funnel for this product. So prices and upsells or downsells. Maeve, the front end product, is $12.97, and you can take the coupon and get the product for $7.47. The first upgrade is $67, which is a downsell for $47. The second upgrade is $397 with a downsell of $297. Third upgrade is $97 and a downsell of $67. There's a fourth upgrade of $47 and a downsell of $37. The fifth upgrade is $29 with a downsell of $19, and the sixth upgrade is $87 with a downsell of $67. So you get all of the training modules and access to the Maeve software for as cheap as $7.47. The front end, $12.97. You can get a product bump and then basically heat up your campaigns. You get the premium customer support, which is normally a monthly fee, and it would be $7.97. Upsell 1, ride the bullet train and get constant income results. Upsell 2 is use the team of experts and basically have everything else done for you. Upsell number 3, cheat your way to the pretty profits, which is further hot traffic and 10 times more on your conversions. Upsell number 4 is never seen before, high value, high volume and quality audiences with no additional fees, and you can reap the rewards. Upsell number 5, a mega sale on a reseller license, where you can actually then sell this product and receive all the commissions on the funnel yourself. And then upsell number 6 is the reseller license. And this is your demonstration video, which then you can click through on my page, and you'll be able to see this video, watch this video at your leisure. What I'll do now is take a look at inside of the members area of Maeve, which we can just click through now. This is the inside of the members area. You've got your first video, which is the welcome to the product, and it's explained by John Armstrong and the Digital Dames. Then you have the introduction and the power of Google Discovery Ads, which takes you through a walkthrough of what Google Discovery Ads is, using keywords and how to place the ads. Then you've got resources, how to create the Google Ads account, which takes you through step by step what to do. And then it's got the marketplace optimized profile setup. So that's another stage of the process, and where you get to for your affiliate links and things that you would need. Then you've got your express bonus page generator, which is another video, and it will explain everything that you need to do. This green button here is where you would click to actually create your bonus page, and there's various products included in the software that you receive when you purchase. And then there's how to actually deliver the bonuses. So basically these are some of the bonuses that are available and some of the products that you would be able to start selling, like TweetX, Golden Stash, the Nova, Forget About Broke, Xena and Profit Force. I've already done a review of Xena. If you want to look back at some of my videos, previous videos, you will find that some of these have been reviewed already. So basically the next part of that is to set up your campaign, the discovery ads on Google. And then obviously you've got how to boost your conversion rates, tricks of the trade and other bonuses. And then you've got the case studies of how people have already made commissions up to $1,000 or $1,100 using this system. So there basically you have Maeve in the members area, and for $12.97 I would say it's well worth grabbing this through my link. That'll be in the description below the video, and receive all of the bonuses and the vendor bonuses with this product. So basically that's it for now, and we will see you on the next review video. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, and check out my website, makemoneyonline-niches.com. Bye for now.